What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heat. I know it has been like a week since I put out a new video, but I am here right now today to tell you guys all about my Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Cyber Week sales and deals that I took advantage of. So this year I had a strategy. I only wanted to go for things that I wanted all through the year. So pieces that I've been eyeing, stuff that I need that I could also save on. So I went to two main places. One was clothing and I got that from ASOS, and I also did go to Best Buy, and that's where I dropped most of my money. As I'm sure you all have noticed, we are in December and this year is coming to a swift end, and I wanted to pick up a couple of things that would carry me into the next year. Now, one of my goals for 2020 is to provide better and even more consistent content for you guys, and that means upgrading my setup. Now, I upgraded my camera not too long ago. I did pick up the Canon M50, and it seemed like the next likely thing to do would be to upgrade my laptop, because right now I was running off of a MacBook Air that I've had since 2011 when that machine first released. I've had it since then. It got me all the way through college. It was a solid machine, and I've been using it up until this day pretty much. I knew that my MacBook Air was on its last leg and near the end of its life, so I wanted to upgrade and not get stranded out here with no computer and no way to provide content. So I went ahead and I upgraded my setup. Now I want to get into my Best Buy pickups first, and then we'll get into my clothing pickups from ASOS. Now, going into Best Buy this time of year, you definitely have to have a strategy, and my strategy was basically this: take advantage of the deals and not go over $1,700. $1,700 was my budget. Some of you may be big balling out there, but I just wasn't trying to spend over $1,700 for a computer that will mainly be used for video editing. That's all I use my computer for nowadays. The rest of it is done on my cell phone or my iPad. After shopping around the Best Buy and talking to some of the associates, I decided to go with this machine right here. This is a 2019 MacBook Pro 13-inch, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 250 gigabytes SSD. Now, this is open box. I did talk to the people over at Best Buy. This is open box excellent, which is basically brand new condition. I looked at it. I had them turn it on for me. It works. It's like perfect condition, and I'm really happy with that because I was able to save a lot of money by getting this open box. Also, while I was inside the Best Buy, I knew I wanted to pick up a case for the new MacBook, so I went ahead and picked up this. This is just by the brand In Case. They didn't have too many options, so I went with this 13-inch case in like this smoky black color. It's simple, it's plain, it's gonna do what I need it to do. I also picked up this hyperdrive because, if you know, the new MacBook Pro does not have a variety of slots. You really only have the Thunder ports to work with. So this is basically an adapter so that I can plug in my SD card and still have all the other outlets available to me. Really happy I got this, or else I wouldn't really be able to insert the SD card into the new MacBook. And that's the end of the tech portion of this video. Let's get into some clothes and the things that I picked up from ASOS. So ASOS was having a sale. It was 30% off basically everything on the site, and I picked up 4 different pieces, 2 jackets and 2 pants. Let's open this bag because I'm very excited to see the quality on these things. I don't order from ASOS much. I believe my first and only order from ASOS was some swim trunks, so this will be my second order of like actual clothing. So I really want to see whether the quality is a hit or a miss for the prices that I bought this stuff at. As you guys can see, we have quite a big bag, and it does have like a handle. This is the mailing bag, and the fact that it has a handle is really cool and made it easy to carry up from the mailroom. I don't know, it's a small detail, but it matters. So let's rip this open. Try not to cut any of the clothing inside. All right. Okay, so what do we got in here? Is this the receipt? This looks like a receipt. Yep, it's a receipt and a shipping label in case I want to return anything. This stuff also came pretty fast. Now that we're on the subject of shipping, I was pretty happy with the shipping time that this came in. Okay, so let's get into the pants first, and then we'll talk about the jackets that I picked up. One of the things that stood out to me when I was looking for Black Friday deals was sizing, and ASOS actually goes really small down in the men's sizing, so they have like an extra small. These pants are actually a 26 men's, believe it or not, 26-30, so I'm pretty sure that these are gonna fit. So this is just a cargo pant, your standard cargo pant, 5-pocket, back pockets fully functional, side pockets fully functional, button closure, and here at the bottom you do have this draw cord to tighten up the ankles and loosen them as you please. Now, having these in hand, I will say that the quality is not 10 out of 10 would recommend, but they feel like they'll last a couple of months, maybe a year with the proper care. It's a lightweight cargo pants. It gets you the look for the price. This is the black colorway. In a moment, I'm gonna show you guys the green that I picked up as well. But yeah, I'm happy with these, and for the price that I paid, you really can't beat it. As I said, I did go ahead and pick up that same pant in like a green color. So here's this, I don't know, army green, fatigue green, whatever you wanna call it. Same pant, so you have the 2 pockets in the back, functional, and your draw cord at the bottom, button closure. It's the same exact pant, except I think these actually might be a 26-32. I know one of them is a 26-32 because the 26-30 was out of stock on one of the colors, but that's really the only difference. And those are really the pants that I picked up. I wasn't too worried because you can't really mess up cargo pants that bad. Now, what I was concerned about was the 2 jackets that I picked up. So let's get into those. Okay, so I think this is the shearling. Yes, this is the shearling jacket. So I picked up a shearling jacket in black. Now, shearling jackets are really, really pricey, and it's not something that I would consider a staple in my collection. So I didn't want to spend too much money on it in case I didn't like the look of it. So I went ahead and I got this shearling jacket from ASOS, and it looks nice. It looks nice. It feels soft. The Sherpa inside feels very soft. It feels like it's gonna be warm. Let's make sure these zippers work. Yeah, they work. Zippers work. They're not getting stuck. They're not sticky. Feels good. Inside feels good. I went ahead and picked this jacket up in a 2XS. So it's very small. It'll fit me perfectly, or at least it should fit me perfectly. I will throw in some B-roll at the end of this video, like a try-on portion, so make sure you look out for that. But yeah, I'm happy with this. It feels nice, and again, for the price that you pay, you really can't beat it. Now, the next jacket we're gonna talk about is supposed to be real leather, 100% leather as advertised on their website. So let's get into that one. That one is more of a traditional biker leather jacket. And here it is. Now I can already tell from the smell of it that it's real leather, and also it has weight to it. The other jacket was very, very light. It was clear that that wasn't real leather because of the weight, but this one actually has a good weight to it. And like I said, it's that traditional biker jacket. You have your silver hardware, the asymmetrical zipper or side zipper, whatever you want to call it. No graphics, just all black. Classic. This is gonna be a staple in my collection. The shell is 100% leather. The inside is like this nylon polyester. Ooh, it has an inside pocket. That's always a nice touch. Down here at the bottom, you do have a buckle. That's a pretty nice touch. I really like this. I really like it, and I feel like I got a bargain because I think in total I didn't even pay $300 for these 4 pieces. It was around 2 something. Now is the time to let me know down below, do you shop at ASOS? Have you ever bought anything from ASOS? Were you happy with the quality? I'm pretty happy with the pieces that I picked up, and like I said, I will be doing a on-body try-on portion so that you guys can see the pieces a bit better. Let's roll into that now. But as always, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will see you guys in the next one.